Today, we'll see the basics of technical writing. Actually, technical writing is any form of writing. It's a process of writing that shares information in a very professional setting. So, we have a variety of technical writings that include memos, business proposals, data sheets, product descriptions, specifications, resume, that is job applications, journal articles, and instruction manuals. And we have to follow certain techniques while we are writing technical documentations, because it's entirely different from what we do or write in a normal setting. So technical writing should be very concise, it should be brief, focused, and comprehensive in nature. The main thing is it should be free from errors. So while we write the technical documents, we should avoid the usage of excessive technical jargons, very flowery languages. We should avoid passive voice. So on the whole, it should be very simple, accurate, and direct. Technical writers are otherwise known as technical communicators. Now we have two kinds of communication, oral and written communication. Oral communications is somewhat different from written communication, because oral communication is highly informal in setting, and whereas written communication is very formal. So written communication can be documented, and they may be referred again and again wherever required. So you have to give more importance while you write technical documents. So this is a quote by Sir Ernest Govess, and it reflects the mentality of writing. So it's about the one who you are replying to. If you think the one you are replying to is very rude, the writing that you are going to write, your writing should be especially courteous. And if you feel that he is a muddle-headed person, you should be lucid enough. And if he is a pig-headed, you should be patient enough. And if you find that he is helpful, you should be appreciative. And if he convicts you of a mistake, acknowledge it freely and even with gratitude. So we have a variety of purposes of technical writing. You may write technical writings for giving instruction, for disseminating important information in line with the decision making. So we have three main factors of technical writing, like purpose, audience, and tone. So while writing, we should give more importance to these things: purpose, audience, and tone. We should know the purpose of writing the technical document, and we should know who is going to read that, and we should be careful enough to maintain the correct tone throughout this writing. So while preparing the technical writing, it should pass on through three stages like pre-writing, writing, and rewriting. The first stage is pre-writing. So here we should think over the objectives and also the proposed audience. And it's also recommended to gather the relevant data that is important for documenting the document. And we should jot down all the important points accordingly. So here comes the main core part, that is writing. So this is a very, very important stage and very crucial too. Data should be organized in order of importance in this stage. And while writing, coherence should be maintained, that is, the flow should be there in our writing. So the last stage is, of course, the rewriting stage. It's a final stage also. So here comes the correction part, right? So here you have to check all the spellings, and we have to find out whether the information is adequate, whether to add any other information, and we should search with the purpose, and we should analyze it whether we have fulfilled the purpose and whether it maintains the correct tone. And it's also very important whether the writing is, to verify whether the writing has included the relevant diagrams and tables. So today we have seen the basics of technical writing. Technical writing has so many things like memos, business proposal, data sheets, product description, resume, journal articles, and we should be very simple enough to write that. A very important thing is your writing should be free from errors, and since it's a written communication, it should be documented. It may be documented and may be referred for future use. So while documenting, we should be cautious enough to write that. And factors affecting in technical writing are purpose and audience and tone. We should be cautious enough to keep all these things in mind while writing. And the stages of writing document, technical writing is pre-writing, writing and rewriting. In the pre-writing stage, we should think over the objectives proposed to audience, and it's very, very important to collect the data relevant to this writing. And in the writing stage, it's very important to arrange those points in order, and there should be coherence and flow in your writing. And the last stage is rewriting. So here in this stage, we have to check everything, whether we have written all the documents, all the necessary data. We have to check the spelling, grammar, everything. Thank you.